Σημερώνεις ευδοκίας Θεού το προήμιον και της των ανθρώπων σωτηρίας η προκήρυξης εν ναόν του Θεού τρονός υπαρθένος δείχνεται και τον Χριστόν της φάση προκαταγγέλλεται αυτή και εμείς μεγαλοφόνος βοήσομεν χαίρε της οικονομίας του κτίστου η εκκλήρωσης. Today is the foreshadowing of the good pleasure of God and the herald of the salvation of men. The Virgin is revealed in the temple of God, and beforehand she announces Christ to all. Let us therefore cry to her with mighty voice, hail the fulfillment of the Creator's dispensation. Σημερώνεις ευδοκίας Θεού το προήμιον και της των ανθρώπων σωτηρίας η προκήρυξης εν ναόν του Θεού τρανός υπαρθένος δείχνεται και τον Χριστόν της πάση προκαταγγέλλεται. Αυτή και εμείς μεγαλοφόνος βοήσομεν χαίρε της οικονομίας του κτίστου η εκκλήρωσης.
Richard here, Chronia Pola, many years for the Feast of the Entrance of the Virgin in the Temple, one of the great feasts of the Mother of God, also my birthday. Today is my 49th birthday, 7 squared, and also 2 consecutive squares, 4 and 9, the squares of 2 and the squares of 3. Anyway, you heard my spiel a 3 weeks ago about supporting Capella Romana as my birthday fundraiser. I just wanted to share that once again. Please join me in helping us meet our $100,000 end of the year fundraising goal. You can do so today for my birthday or for Giving Tuesday or for year end. Just go to capellaromana.org/give. The link is in the notes. And Your gift of any size will be tax deductible to the extent allowed by law, and it will do a tremendous amount to support Capella Romana's mission of stewardship of the sacred vocal music of the Christian East, and not just as a performing arts ensemble, but also as a driver of research, creativity, education, and so much that's under the surface of just choir concerts and books and CDs. Your gift will mean a heck of a lot to me personally. Capella Romana is an organization that has had a tremendous impact on my life, and I invite you to join me in its stewardship. Joyous feast, happy Thanksgiving, talk to you soon.